At various places that convene a large number of people, you won't fail to find youth volunteers reminding people to respect COVID-19 guidelines, such as hand hygiene, social distancing, among others, and reminding transport operators to adhere to the set guidelines. The same is true of Kimirongo Market, Gahoromani in Kabuga, and Bishenyi Park in Kamonyi District. These volunteers believe that this is their role in preventing the spread of the pandemic. As compared to before, people's perception has now changed when it comes to prevention guidelines, but we still continue to teach them. And for those that still insist against them, we put them aside and teach them extensively. Some listen to us, others disrespect us to the point of even abusing us, but most of them try their best. We go back home fatigued because it's not easy spending the whole day telling people to do the same thing. But at the end of the day, it's worth it because that's our role towards building the country. Some residents agree that youth volunteers have indeed had a significant role in the prevention of the spread of the pandemic. There are times we are perhaps stressed and we are rushing to enter the car to go home or work, and sometimes we forget to wash our hands. They will step in and remind us. It's such a great thing. There's some people that disrespect them, but they are patient enough and continue with their work and explain why they are doing what they do. They truly do an incredible job, and it would be terrible without them. The National Youth Volunteer Coordinator, Morenzi Abdallah, also commended the young men and women for their dedication to their work over the past 15 months in the fight against COVID-19. It went beyond what's in it for them. Residents have now come to understand the role that youth volunteers have in their lives. This gives us hope, but of course there are still challenges. There are people with perceptions that can easily discourage these young people that are committing themselves, but with the help of security organs like police, we are able to follow up on these people. There are 408,000 members of the Rwanda Youth Volunteers. Slightly over 10,000 of them are currently working in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic in Rwanda.